Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Passion for Fashion.
Fools like them, they search me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my thoughts.
Here are 5 fashion tips for you ladies who are short, each of which is tailor-made to make you proud of your height. From footwear to apparel, here's how you can make the right choices. Footwear. Try wearing nude-colored pumps. Avoid wearing bright-colored heels and instead go for nude-colored footwear, especially pumps, to create an illusion of longer legs. Nude pumps also look extremely classy and stylish. Additionally, nude-colored footwear is not visually distracting and blends with your original skin color, making you look taller. Avoid wearing ankle straps, as they create horizontal lines on the ankle. Elongate your figure. Go for vertical stripes. While horizontal stripes make you look heavy and wide, vertical stripes make you look slim and taller by tricking the viewer's eyes. These stripes elongate your figure and maximize your height. However, avoid thick stripes and go for thin ones as they are hard to focus on. You can buy jackets, trousers, t-shirts, jumpsuits, and shirts that have vertical stripes. Neckline. Wear deeper necklines. Avoid tees and singlets with higher necks and go for deeper necklines like a shirt unbuttoned a little lower than usual or a V-neck top or dress. Deeper necklines elongate your frame and make you look taller as they create an illusion of length. You can even pair a lower neck top with a midi skirt or jeans. Dresses. Maxi and wrap dresses are your best friend. If you are short and petite, then avoid wearing shirt dresses that can swallow you up and make you look shorter. Instead, go for wrap or gathered dresses that can balance your figure. You can also try maxi dresses that narrow down at the bottom and make you look leaner and taller. They also make your legs look longer than usual. Jeans. Try high-waist skinny straight-leg jeans. While loose-fitting and baggy jeans are in trend now, they do not look much flattering on short girls as they look oversized and draw attention to the petite frame. Instead, invest in a good pair of high-waist skinny straight-leg fit jeans that make your legs look longer and hips narrower. Go for ankle or cropped length for the perfect fit.